Welcome to part 84 of Daily English. Today's situation. Social life, declining politely. Thank you for inviting me. Example. Thank you for inviting me. I really appreciate it. I'm sorry, I can't make it. Example. I'm sorry, I can't make it because I'm busy. I already have plans. Example. I already have plans for this weekend. Maybe next time. Example. Maybe next time. I'd love to join then. How about another day? Example. How about another day when we're both free? I hope you have a great time. Example. I hope you have a great time at the party. Please enjoy yourselves. Example. Please enjoy yourselves, and say hello to everyone for me. Thanks for understanding. Example. Thanks for understanding my situation. Let's meet another time. Example. Let's meet another time for coffee. Mini conversation. Emma, would you like to come to my birthday party? David, thank you for inviting me. I'm sorry, I can't make it. Emma, no problem. Maybe next time. David, thanks for understanding. Let's meet another time. Emma, of course. Have a wonderful weekend. Daily tip. When you need to decline an invitation, always thank the person first. Give a simple reason if you want, suggest another time if possible, and wish them a good time. This helps you sound kind and respectful. Speaking challenge. Imagine a friend invites you to a party, but you're busy. Thank your friend, politely decline the invitation, explain that you already have plans, suggest meeting another day, and wish them a great time using at least 5 sentences. Subscribe for part 85. Continue learning English with Avetra edu.